Hello everyone, in this video I'll be explaining our transformer monitoring setup using the NBSense system. Here we have a 315 kVA transformer. On the HT side, it operates at 11,000 volts, and on the LT side, it steps down to 250 to 240 volts. We've integrated the NBSense Transformer Monitoring System into this setup. As you can see, we've installed a Marshall box here. This unit houses our intelligent monitoring system. It keeps track of critical parameters such as oil temperature and winding temperature. These values are converted into RS485 signals, which are then sent to our NBSense gateway. The gateway collects this data and transmits it to the NBSense cloud platform, allowing us to remotely monitor transformer health in real time. Here, you can also see the magnetic oil gauge and the buckholes relay. We capture relay status through our I/O module box, which reads both analog and digital signals. This data is again converted into RS485 output and sent to the gateway, which forwards it to the cloud. So in summary, we monitor oil temperature, winding temperature, relay status, fault and trip conditions. Now moving to the main LT panel room, this is where the output of the transformer, at 250 volts, is distributed. It is routed through several energy meters, including the main load manager meter. This meter provides detailed electrical analytics such as voltage and current, active and apparent power, active and apparent energy, voltage and current harmonics. All of this data is transmitted over RS485 to the NBSense gateway, which then pushes the information to the NBSense cloud. By combining the electrical data with the thermal data like oil and winding temperatures, we're able to get a complete picture of the transformer's performance. This helps us monitor load behavior, efficiency, early warning for faults, and overall transformer health. With this system, we ensure real-time monitoring, preventive maintenance, and optimized performance of our transformer. Let's dive right in. This is our main dashboard. It starts with a simple drop-down where you can select the meter you want to monitor. Once selected, you'll instantly see the last update time, current transformer load, and key energy parameters like active power, apparent power, and power factor, along with voltage phase to neutral and current readings per phase. Next, we have the rating plate information, a customizable section where users can add or update specific details about the transformer. We also display vital health indicators like oil level, oil temperature, winding temperature. All these come with configurable alarm and trip set points, so you are always aware of critical changes. Our relay indicator overview shows the status of all alarms and trips, keeping you informed of any event logs in real time. Now moving to the analysis section, here you can dive deep into the data by selecting a custom date range. You can choose which parameters to view or hide for a cleaner, more efficient experience. Below that, we provide daily and monthly bar charts, giving you an at-a-glance view of overall performance and trends. Next up, we have the alerts section, an essential feature for fault monitoring. You can set custom alerts for any parameter, perfect for catching critical issues before they escalate. Alerts can notify you instantly via SMS, WhatsApp, or email. And of course, you can easily update or delete alerts anytime. All incoming alerts are first listed as unread, and once reviewed, they move to the read section for record keeping. When it comes to reporting, it's super simple. Just choose your meter and date range, and within seconds, you'll get a detailed report of your site's performance. Want to automate that process? No problem. Head to the Schedule tab, fill in the report details, choose whether you want it daily, weekly, or monthly, and get it sent straight to your inbox automatically. And finally, if you ever need help, our support section is just a click away. Reach out anytime, our team is always happy to assist. And that's a complete walkthrough of our transformer monitoring dashboard. It's designed to give you real-time insights, automated reporting, and smart alerts all in one place. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected, stay efficient.